Namaskar dosto. Today is 1st February 2021. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review it. This channel is my journey in stock market, where in this specific video on daily basis I review my trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty, share my learnings with you and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope these discussions will add value to your trading ideas and trade setup. Please do like, share and subscribe. It's your comment and it's your response which makes young creator like me to come daily and make this video. So let's first review our trade for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So today was a budget day, uh, one of the biggest event day, and market actually turned around. Not only turned around but was on rocket, flying very high. Our trade plan on Nifty was to sell on rise, and on Bank Nifty was to take 15-minute breakout trade. So what we did today, or what I did today. So today, as per trade plan, Nifty gapped up, came to R3. I shorted Nifty on this red bar, got out on this green bar. Then I entered Bank Nifty as per the trade plan. I'm sorry. So as per trade plan, I entered Bank Nifty on 15-minute breakout on this particular green bar, and again I made a wrong exit and got out on this red bar, as Bank Nifty by this point was touching monthly R3, and I felt that Bank Nifty may not have more legs to go. But how wrong I was. Exactly after half an hour, the Bank Nifty just took a space shuttle and moved up north. And this was almost 2543 point move on Bank Nifty from day's low to day high. I did make some money, but I made a mistake of again coming out of a trade before the trade got matured. So if you want to know my MTM position, then please be with me till end of the video. Uh, the learning for today is again trade management. So for trade management, my strategy is henceforth what I will do is that once I enter a trade, I will look for a trade to go in my direction, and I will revise my stop loss to break even and hold my stop loss till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And after 1 in the afternoon, I will write the trade on 8 bar moving average till market will take me out of the market, or I will touch my or till market will take me out of the market. That is what I will do. So this is one thing I need to develop on. What I have understood is that my entry strategy has been very right. Where I'm making mistake is my incapability of riding a trade till its maturity. So having said that, let's see how market is poised for us for tomorrow. Before we get into that, let's look at our dollar index. So dollar index is now moving up, which is not a good sign for a emerging market like us. SPX is green, so all the global markets are green, and SGX, that is the Singapore Nifty, is currently running at 14338. When we look into daily chart, Nifty has closed below 20, just below monthly resistance of R4, below above 8 day, above 50 day, and above 200 day. So since it is still below 20-day moving average, it is in downtrend. On 15-minute chart, Nifty is has closed above monthly resistance of R4, above 8, above 200, above 20, and above 50. So it is in uptrend. So for tomorrow, when we look into our Camarilla pivot, Please bear with me. Our camera pivot is at 14095, 14093, and L3 is 14096 and 13910. So as a defensive trader, I will look forward for a market to have some correction, come in this zone of L3 and L4 and take a buy position for a target of 14650. So first target is 14466 and second target is 14650. So tomorrow I will be playing with 14500 CE. For a bank nifty, on daily basis it has closed well above 20, well above 8, well above 50 and well above 200-day moving average. So it is an uptrend. On 15-minute chart, it has closed above 8, 20, 50 and 200-day moving average. So it is also in uptrend, which confirms the trend. So, but Bank Nifty is looking much stronger than Nifty, and that is mainly because of the budget announcement of opening up of insurance sector and privatization of some of the PSU bank. So I am expecting that Bank Nifty may not even correct tomorrow. Will so a 15-minute breakout could be one option, and the second, as a defensive trader, what I would like to see is that Bank Nifty to correct towards pivot and then again start its move in upside direction. So for tomorrow, Bank Nifty levels are the pivot is at 32615, L3 is 32717, and L4 is 32018, which is this rectangle. So I'm hoping that by tomorrow opening, this 20 bar moving average will come closer to the pivot, and that is also closer to a monthly magical line. So any correction of a bank nifty in this zone and a price reversal here could be a good buying opportunity in bank nifty. So tomorrow I would look forward to get into 34,100 CE for Bank Nifty and 14,500 CE for Nifty on dip closer to pivot. So my MTM for today is close to 12,000 rupees, where on index trading I have made close to around 4,000 rupees. This could have been a lakh of rupees today. But anyways, learning is learning. Preserving capital is more important for beginners like me. And events like budget can go in either direction. So I am happy with where I am today. My learning is improving. My concepts are getting clear. My entry is improving. I have found a very strong strategy to manage my trade. Now, idea is to implement. I hope this discussion has added value to your trading idea for tomorrow. If you have taken any trade today on budget day, then please do let me know and comment how did it go. So stay healthy, guys, and do come back tomorrow to see how I'm doing. Jai Hind and stay healthy.